Good morning. Welcome to my garden. Today I want to show you my grass border or my grass hedge, whatever way you want to say it. Anyways, I'll turn the camera around and we'll take a look at it. So here it is. The grasses in the border make a wonderful hedge. We put it in because our dogs were barking at the neighbors constantly. And now it's a wonderful hedge. I think we started out with about 30 Miscanthus Sinensis Gracillimus. That's this one. This very finely leaved, and the blades are just a beautiful, airy, weepy feeling. And then we put in zebra grass. So in this area, we made it like a fence. So we put in the posts, and I think they're about every 15 or 20 feet. And we filled in between. Now, how many did we do? 1, 2, 3. So we did 3 Gracillimus, and then a zebra, and then another 3 between each post. And there's the other post. And then on the ends, we put Indian summer grass. And this is it from the right of way. Now, our neighbors have a right of way up to their property, and we put this in, and it's just magical walking back here. I would say that this grass reaches about 7 foot tall. It rarely puts on any seed heads. It has to be a pretty warm fall and a long fall for the seed heads to form. And I'll just walk up to the end, and then you can see it from this way. So there's the start of it. And look it down. Isn't that beautiful? These plants started out as about a 4-inch pot, and over the years they have grown and filled in. We have split them numerous times and spread them around the garden, and this has been here about 8 years. And then about 3 years ago we added another section. So we left a point that if we had to get a vehicle in here, we could get through. So then we repeated with the Indian summer grass, and you can see it's forming seed heads. There. And then there it is. We did another post because we cut down a maple. And then there's another post. And zebra grass. So we kind of replicated what was up there. And at the end, another post that kind of leaned over a bit. Anyways, this is a good cheap alternative to hedging if you have the room. I would say that the grass is about 7 foot wide at the most. As you can see, it gives quite a bit of privacy. And I like that it stays the uniform height. And the only maintenance that we do is in the spring, we get the hedge trimmers and we cut it off about 6 inches from the bottom, and then it grows up again new every year. You can use grass blades for mulch, and we have used that for mulch in years gone by. You just have to cut it up and lay it on, and it provides quite a bit of protection. We used it in the veggie patch, and it was great. It kept the weeds down quite a bit. Just one last look at the hedge. I would encourage you to use perennial grasses like this, because they really do a great job at hedging and giving privacy. Well, thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a video that I've been wanting to make for a while, but now the grass is finally grown in, and I feel like it is coming into its own right now. Anyways, have a nice day. Bye.